That one.
Yeah, we have like a frisbee we're throwing just for the laughs and giggles, but but then we heard the dogs and shit got real.
Okay, let's go follow them.
You say?
We're gonna.
Let's go check it out, yeah. But like, let's not show ourselves too much. What was that? I saw some. That's a bird.
Fences 2 times.
Yeah.
Let's go. I think they went on the other side though. We got loud for some reason, I don't know why. That's actually impressive machine. How the hell did you do that?
Yeah, okay. Oh shit. What is this? Okay, well, let's go inside. Oh.
Okay, so this is the hole. As you can see, this is... I don't know what kind of hole is that, but... Also, we need to be really careful of these windows. Because sometimes people are walking and they can like spot us.
That's the front entrance. Okay, going back to it. Whoa. Have to be careful. There's windows here. Oh, there he is.
Yeah, pretty much.
I was searching for you, man.
No, I thought we split it up too.
Yeah, no, I didn't go to the other side. I want to check this out. I was like, oh shit, that's the front. And then I was like, oh no, yeah, I should go back to Will. Yeah, Will's the only one that's been in here at least once. So now it's his second time.
That's the one. I have to show something. A guard post.
Whoa,
I think
that's so cool. What the hell?
Here we have a wiring, we have
Hey, yeah.
pencil, we have
We have pencils, stuff.
doors.
Yeah, there's a knife, dude.
Now we have like
Yeah, we have like knife, everything you need to fix a car.
pretty much they have all of this.
And cards too.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a platform up there.
Sorry. Same room.
This is where the real stealth mission begins.
angry. Because don't be angry because it's too dark. We have to keep it as dark as possible. Bro.
Shit, I think they're going through these windows, man. Oh man. Oh shit, man. Oh shit.
If US as well, we can't just defend them. It's because cars might be coming soon.
Fuck. Oh shit. Oh fuck.
They restores. We can explore it afterwards. Let's go. Cars will be coming soon, guys. Cars will be coming soon. Bro, fuck. That is so bad, bro.
Was this the locked one? Oh, no, it's not locked.
It's not.
It's not locked. Oh. Oh, yes. Okay. We have another escape route if something happens. We can escape through here. It's the front. But it's still better. It's still better than nothing. Just jump out.
Yeah, real. Let's go back inside. Let's do it. Okay, let's do everything quicker. Because if the guards comes, we done for. Okay, right. Oh, yeah. Let's go to second floor.
Can you see them?
Okay.
Oh man, what the fuck?
Second floor windows are being attacked. Toilet.
Yeah, they are aiming at these. Fuck. Fuck. Oh shit.
Holy shit. Okay. Use doors as a shield. Use doors as a shield. Holy fuck, calm down, bro.
Oh man.
Doors, fuck is a shield.
I'm not going near these windows.
They're going out. They're going out, bro. Okay, let's move, let's move, let's move. Broken. There were kids there. Rocks. Gigi, bro. Gigi. The door defense. Gigi. Good game. Okay. Let's go to another side.
Okay.
What?
Well, it's not really dangerous, but there is a person outside.
they're behind the fence though, so everything's good. They're behind the fence, so everything's good. Yeah, they won't see us one, I don't think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now imagine that I posted horror videos where, oh, we got the ghost on camera and it's just us standing there just through the window.
Literally.
Yeah. Oh wow, this looks nice. Yeah, there was something like a bathroom. Look. Like, why would you want to spy on somebody showering? Like, you just come in. You just fucking come in. Oh yeah, my bro. My bro showering. It's now we're in the basement.
Which way you want to go?
Rat manhole or normal hallway? Okay, normal hallway. Rat manhole later. Too wet, actually. That's unpleasant. Everything's rusted to shit.
Pretty much.
Ah, ugh. Wet and gross.
Spooky! That was gonna be that. That will get the jump.
Whoa.
Tiny entrance.
Yeah. Well, okay. I don't think we can go through that one. Wait! This is the door.
Yeah, that's why I said it's locked. You can't even move an inch.
Huh. Wait. Might be able to unlock it from this side actually.
Really?
Yeah.
You can try.
Yeah, but first we explore.
Check the engine.
Yeah. Let's check this. Wow. Truly. Like, what happened if we actually like turned one of these? I don't think we should. But it would be cool if these are like the water valves. Because then you could like get water up in here.
Survival.
Yeah.
It's really hard to turn it off.
Yeah. I think you need like something to help.
Probably. It's dark. We made it out alive out of that.
Yeah.
It's getting dark.
Yeah.
Like, that's why we don't want to stay here.
Yeah, we're getting out. We're getting out.
Yeah. What? What happened? Okay. Right before the light through there, you know, through window. Yeah.
And I fucking shit my pants.
Yeah. Understandable, bro.
Well,
We made it.
we made it, yeah.
So yeah, like, subscribe.
Show.
What? What?
Ring that notif bell.
Oh, not. Yeah.